How to fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process error. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by deleting Discord. For that you have to open up your task manager and see if the Discord is working on the background. If yes, simply right click and end its task. Once you are done, you can now delete your Discord and reinstall it from their official website. Once you are done, you have to open the search menu and simply search for this device manager. Once you are here, you have to go for this disk drivers and make sure to update your drivers. Simply click on the search automatically for drivers. So this is the step number 2. If the step number 1, which is uninstalling and reinstalling your Discord again, doesn't work for you, so once you are done with that, updating driver and reinstalling again, this will gonna fix your issue. So that's how basically you can fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process.